Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to grab NordVPN but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN discount codes and promo deals for 2025 so you can save big on your subscription. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPNs worldwide, with thousands of servers, lightning-fast speeds, advanced threat protection, and the ability to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just protecting your data on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN is the go-to choice in 2025. Here are the discount codes you can try. Nord83 off. Save up to 83% off long-term plans. Nord for free, get 4 months free with 2-year subscriptions. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new customers this year, save 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your NordVPN plan, apply one of these discount codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum savings, try another, and one of them will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. NordVPN discount codes like this won't last forever, and the sooner you lock in your plan, the more you'll save. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and secure your privacy online today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.